Welcome back everyone. In today's Quick Tips video we are going to highlight a new feature of Sawgrass Print Utility. With the recent update of Sawgrass Print Utility, you can now display high-resolution previews of your project. To activate this feature, select the high-resolution option at the top of the screen. This will instruct Print Utility to display a sharper image of your design. This high-resolution preview is useful when you need to zoom in and inspect design details, text, and other nuances of your project. This feature is especially helpful when working with vector files, since some edges may not appear clearly unless high-resolution preview is enabled. Please keep in mind that this high-resolution preview is not affecting the quality of your printout. It is a tool to give you a better visual of the project itself. It is not necessary to enable this feature for all your print jobs. Use it when you want to double-check the design preview with more detail. That is all for today. See you next time.